everyone, how are you guys doing? This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, I'm super excited. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to all of my American family and friends. I'm working with some amazing colors today. Here I have my cup in my hand, and guess what guys, I'm doing a dirty cup technique. So I'm just pouring the paint in no specific way, in no order, just pouring the paint, just dumping the paint in the cup. This is one of the reasons why they call it the dirty cup. I do love pouring the paint this way in the cup instead of layering it, you know, in a specific uniform way. I really love the dirty cup. You know what guys, it's like magic. You never know what you're gonna get. You don't know how the colors are gonna play out, how it's gonna blend. You just want to try something different, and this is me. I just love this dirty cup. I just love just dumping it in and see, you know, how it's gonna react when I start pouring it on the canvas. Some of these colors I'm using, there are some leftovers. I'm just, you know, using up a lot of my leftover paints. This is actually a very useful way to get rid of all your leftover paints, all your scrapings and drippings and all that. You know, this is one of the fun techniques you can use in the acrylic pour to use up your paints, you know. And like I keep saying guys, you know what, nothing goes to waste. Even if I make a mistake and I have to scrape, or if I don't like the composition, or if I don't like the turnout of the painting, I just scrape, pour everything in one little jar or bucket or cup, whatever it is, and I'm going to use that because it's going to turn into another different color, you know, and you can always reuse that paint. So don't get disheartened thinking, okay, it's gonna waste. And you know, just don't if you leave the paint in the tube, that's when you're wasting it. You have to get up and try, right? So I'm always excited to get up and paint. I have some ideas in my mind that I want to see how the colors react on the canvas, and I'm always doing that. This is what I'm all about. Okay, thank you guys so much, you know, for all my well wishers out there who haven't heard me talking on any of my videos recently. I'm doing much better guys. I was sick, I was under the weather, and I had to take, you know, the time to really recover. But going forward, I'm just going to be mixing it up, you know. Here on my YouTube channel, I will be mixing it up. Let the colors speak to you, right? And if you have been watching any of my previous videos, I'm just going around, I'm just, you know, like a spiral. I'm doing pretty much the same technique, mixing it up. So just watch some of my older videos where I have been talking. I will explain. And if even with the colors, even with how the cells develop, sometimes, you know, cells, if I'm doing a pearl cell and I'm not speaking throughout the video and you don't understand, guys, just go check the description box right below the video and you can check it out, see what paint I'm using, see how I mix my paint, what ingredients I use, you know. But you have to remember, when it comes to cells, like the pearl cells, guys, I always stress on that. It's all about the paints, okay? You don't need no fancy additives to add to your paint to mix it to get whatever, you know, reaction you want. It's how the paints are and how they react. Remember, there are different type of paint, okay? Some are matte, some are oil. I mean, we're using acrylic, so I shouldn't say oil, but you have the matte finish, satin, gloss. So when all these paints mix together in a pour, I'm telling you, the colors are going to react some sort of way. You guys have to find your own way. You have to experience your own experiments, okay? But I'm here to share my experiments with you, and I'm really happy, and I'm happy that you guys, you know, tune in and, you know, give me the thumbs up and show me that you love it, because you know it's very encouraging, and I want to say thank you so much. I have my canvas here on a spinner, and I will be spinning these colors out. The more I spin it, guys, the more I spin, the colors are going to open up some more and create something beautiful. I know what I see in this, and I do hope that in the comment section below you guys will tell me what you're seeing, you know, how the colors make you feel, all of that, guys. You know, do comment, make your comment, do interact with this video, and of course stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Enjoy some music, guys. Alrighty, here it is, guys, dried on my fireplace. I'm so loving it, guys. I'm loving the wave. Like, look at this spiral look. You know how Molly from Molly Artistry would do her blow dryer technique and get that wavy look? I was amazed when I see this result here, guys. I'm so loving it. Loving this piece, really do. What do you guys think? The colors are amazing. There's no finish on this as yet. I haven't resin it or varnish it. I like to do my videos where I can show you the natural color, and it's so beautiful. I love it, really do love it. And just hoping that all my American friends out there are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. There's some colors in here that really do represent hope and joy and family on a whole, and it's just amazing. Do happy that you guys enjoy today's creation video, and I do hope you will come back and see me again sometime soon. Check out my other videos, and of course I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.